Hello friends, welcome to your channel EshtechZ. Welcome to our series that is API testing. In the past video, we done with your what is Postman. We done with the installation of Postman and that how it works. So in this video we'll see that how to install Newman and what is the uses of Newman. Now let's see our course content. That Postman installation already done. Now the demo of Postman, that how it works, we already done with that work. And the today's video we'll see that Newman installation and what is the use of Newman, how it works and how it generates the report. And the next video we'll see the integration with Jenkins and run our scripts. So before watching the demo of Newman installation and it works, let's see that what is Newman is. Newman is a command line action runner for Postman. It allows you to effortlessly run and test a Postman collection directly from the command line. It is built with extensibility in mind so that you can easily integrate it with your continuous integration server and build system. So before installing the Newman, you need to check that Node.js is installed in your system or not. So for that, you need to pass some query on your command prompt and will check that Node.js is installed or not. So these are the steps. Here you can check the Node.js. You need to open your command prompt on your machine. Just type node-v. If it will give you a version, that means you have done with your Node.js in your system. But if you found that message that node is not recognized as an internal command, that means Node.js is not installed in your system yet. You can also try with npm-v. Also with that command you will get the same message. That means you need to install the Node.js in your system. Now, the definitely next question will come in your mind that why we have to install Node.js. Newman is Node.js program, and to get Newman we have to first install Node.js in our system. This is the official site of Node.js from where you can download it and install into your machine. As I can show you, so this is your home page of Node.js. Once you click on that download, you will get that download page. Here you will get some different operating system and their version. As I have Windows installer, so I can click on this and it will start downloading in my system. You can see here the source code that Node version 12 is showing here as it's mostly recommended to user, and the current feature is Node version 14. We'll go with the recommendation one. You directly need to click on this. Once you click on this, it will start downloading your system, but it's already downloaded my system. I need to cancel it. Once it will download in your system, you need to explore and you need to install in your machine. Once it will install, you will see one page in your C drive, program files, Node.js. This installation looks like that. You can see that node modules, npm, and the export of whole Node.js in your system. Now we are done with Node.js. Now again, you need to check that Node.js is installed in your system or not. Then in this case, this is our command prompt. We'll hit node-v, enter. As you can see that it is showing me version 12.18.0. That means Node is installed in our system. Same with you guys. If you will get this message, that means you have done successfully installed in your system. Now, next move to Newman. The Newman run command allows you to specify a collection to be run. You can easily export your Postman collection as a JSON file from the Postman app and run it using Newman. These are the command lines from where you can install Newman in your system. You can run your Newman and generate your report. So this is the command of installation Newman in your system. So you need to provide npm install G Newman. Once you put this command here and run, it will start explore the package in your system and it will install in your system. Now command of execute Newman. Newman run sample collection JSON. That means your code command start with Newman space run, and from here you need to pass your JSON file name. Now let's see that how to export. So this is our Postman. These are our collection and scripts. So from here you need to click on three dot. Here you can see the export option. Once you click on it and export, it will give you a path from where you need to export this file. As I already exported, so I don't want to do this again, but you directly click on save. Now my file is already saved on my desktop, Newman this. So this is my collection name. Now I can easily execute my Newman script from here. So from here, basically the rule of Newman is that wherever your JSON file is saved on your local system, you need to give the path of that JSON file first in command prompt, and then you need to execute your script. So I already in my folder. You can directly open CMD here. So it will automatically take your path. So let's open my CMD. Now the command of Newman where you need to pass, I will show you that Newman run. Now you tab, it will take automatically your file name and just hit enter. So once you hit enter, it is start execution of your Postman. So here you can see this is my collection name. These are my three folders: get, post and update. Under this folder you can check the request name, get user, create data and update data, and inside the same this green tick is status code is 200 is passed my one script. Second one is my failed, is I intentionally failed one of my script to check that how Newman gave us the error message in detail. This is the third one and fourth one. Now in table format you can see the total final execution report, that iterations is 1, request 3, test scripts 3, prerequisite 0 and assertions are 4. Now my assertions are 4 including these from one get method, third one is from create and fourth one is from update. This is your total run duration, received file form size and response time. Now here you can see the failure report, that how it shows you to get the failed script. Now you can see that your folder name, your request name, that which script got failed, and you can see the reason of your failure. Now we are done with this. So these are the execution of your Postman through command line. Now let's move ahead and see that how to generate report of final execution, because we always need a report to send in our team, to send someone, to keep in our system for future reference as well. But this command prompt is a temporary report, it's not save in our system. So to export this report in our system from command prompt, this is the HTML report. Here the install reporter package. Note that the name of your package from Newman -reporter and your HTML report type, because it's a type of template. If you want a plain text report, you only need to pass HTML, and if you want an advanced report in depth, so you need to pass HTML extra. Your command will be like npm install -g Newman -reporter -html for plain or HTML extra for advanced. If you are done with your package, if you are done with your installation of HTML report, you need to pass this command to get generate report in your system. So you can see this is your code like Newman run, then your JSON file name and R or HTML extra, or also you can get your report in CSV format as well. It's easy to send also. So let's see that how it works. So here you can see it's only showing me a JSON file. Now there is no HTML report in my system. Now just use same command Newman run now JSON file space hyphen R space HTML. Now I only pass this HTML, that means I will get a plain report. It's done. You can see the folder already is created. Inside this folder, this is your Newman report. It's a plain text report which you can save in your system, which you can share with anyone. But it contains not much report data. It only shows you that how many reports are failed, pass, and your collection name, time, total execution report. But it's not a good way or a good report. So let me check. If you get the HTML extra and you hit, you will get this your HTML format. This is your advanced report. So here you can see the difference in plain text and extract your advanced report. So this is your dashboard of Newman. It really looks nice and attractive report. You can see that dashboard, iteration, assertion, failed and skip, your date and time. Once you scroll down, you can able to see your file information, timing, data, and your tabular format of execution. Now these are your home page and dashboard. Once you click on this total request, you can able to see this one. Just expand this. Now it will give you in-depth report like your request type, your method report, your URL, response time, and it gives me that 50% of test was passed because I gave two test script in one method, and one is failed and one is passed, so that's why showing me 50% pass. You can see request header, response header, also you can able to see the response body. If you want to copy this, you can click on this. Here you can see this test information, same other one. And if you want to see the failed test, you need to click on this. And so here you can able to see the failure report and reason, that expected response to have status code 201 but got 200. Now you can collapse or expand whole functionality here. Now this last one is skip test. As we don't have any skip test, that's why showing that there are no skip test here. So this is what a Newman report. You can check with a light or dark mode. It's really good to see, check and open. You can save it and you can share this your HTML report with anyone. So these are your plain text and this is your an advanced report. Now the third one is CSV report. So for that you only need to pass CSV. Once you hit this command, you will get a message that CSV write complete. Now again need to go back. Here you can see that one CSV file is already come here. If you can click on this, now you can see your iteration, collection name, request method, URL, status code, response, execution, failed or script. So this is how it make a report in CSV format with your Newman run report, day and date. So these are the three types of report we have with the Postman, Newman, and it's really simple to use or execute our code from command line, and it will give you a most extensively or attractive report in three-way: plain text, CSV, and an advance. So this is how this new line or Newman works through command line, and these are the report generation. It's really easy and simple. So we are done with this installation of Newman and the use of Newman, and we are done with our this video. So thank you guys. Please subscribe this channel, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. And in the next video, we'll see that how it integrate with Jenkins and execute our test run script. So thank you. Be stay with us. Happy learning.